I'm Chef Lisa Books Williams of ThriveHolistic.com in Pleasanton, California, and I'm here to show you the best way to caramelize onions. Caramelizing onions helps to bring out their natural sugars and flavors, and also helps to break down and soften the cellulose. You can use the standard yellow onion, or you can use a sweet onion or a red onion. However, the best onion for caramelizing is the traditional yellow onion because it contains more natural sugars. So here's what you'll need to get started. You'll need a heavy sauté pan with a lid, a cutting board, a good knife, and a wooden spoon. You'll also need your onions of choice, some vegetable oil, a little salt, sugar, black pepper, and water, wine, or broth for deglazing. We've peeled our onion and cut it in half, and now we're going to slice it for caramelizing. So we take our non-dominant hand in a claw shape and hold the onion like this, and then we take the knife and we're going to cut the onion into about 3mm slices, C-slices if you will, and then we're going to take and separate those slices into C rings. Now that the pan is hot, we're going to add our oil, and I recommend a good vegetable oil like a grapeseed oil or a canola. And when the oil starts to ripple a little bit, we're going to add our onions. And a good rule of thumb is about 3½ tablespoons of oil for every onion. We're going to toss our onions to coat with oil. And we're going to add a pinch of sugar, a pinch of black pepper, and a tiny pinch of salt. Now you want to be careful about adding salt. You only want a little pinch because too much salt takes water out of the onions and toughen them. If you find that the onions are sticking to the bottom of the pan, what you can do is add a little bit of water, broth, or wine, and stir really vigorously. The water is going to evaporate out. This is also called deglazing. Now you have some beautiful and delicious caramelized onions to enjoy on top of sandwiches, salads, pizzas, meats, or whatever you may desire. This is Chef Lisa Books Williams wishing you many blessings and joyful eating.